Okay, I'm back at the community garden. This is the pictures that I showed. This is the results of the bucket in just that short amount of time. We got some growth. I'll be out here today playing in the dirt after I go to a Mother's Day event that's honoring my mother-in-law. And then I'll be back. Let's see what we got going on. Mad buckets. I have some green beans and some cucumber seedings in the house that I'm doing for them. So I guess eventually we'll plant them. I'm surprised. There's also another garden across the street at the fire station that I'll be helping with also. But everyone, enjoy your weekend and happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers. Love on them children. Life is short. Most of us got more behind us than in front of us. So take each one separately and enjoy the day, ladies. God bless you.